Okay, sure. So we will go on to the last part of the if else if block, that is the conditional operator. Okay. So what is this conditional operator? First of all, it is a ternary operator. So if you remember yesterday, I taught you what is meant by binary operator. Binary operator means that operator which is used between two operands, and a
Yeah.
ternary operator is used between three operands. Okay, and as I already told you, a unary operator is used between is used on one operand only. Okay, so the AND operator and the OR operator, which were the logical operators which I taught you yesterday, they are binary logical operators because we use them between two conditions. And the not operator is a unary logical operator because it is used only on one condition. And the arithmetic operators like plus, minus, divide by, multiply, remainder, they are all again binary operators. Clear? Na?
Yeah.
Because they are used between, but they are binary arithmetic operators, not logical operator, because they are used between two expressions, two numerical expressions. And similarly, the postfix, prefix, that is the post increment operator, pre increment operator, post decrement, and pre decrement. These are the unary operators. Clear, Shub?
Yes.
Okay, because they are used only on one condition. So this conditional operator now, which I'll be explaining to you, it's a ternary operator, which means it is used on three operands. So just notice this now. It is used on three operands. Its symbol is question mark followed by colon. Okay, this is the symbol. This both these included. This is the whole this combined thing is the symbol of the conditional operator. Is that clear, Shub?
Yeah.
Now I will show you the syntax of the conditional operator. Okay, so the syntax is like this. I have a condition first. I put a question mark. Then I have a statement 1 colon statement 2. Okay, so just see now how does this work. Suppose the condition is true now. Okay, suppose this condition, the C compiler will first check the condition which is mentioned before the this question mark symbol. In case the condition is true, then the statement 1 which we have written before the colon will be executed. Shuk, is it clear?
Yeah. Yeah.
And the statement 2 will not be executed. And suppose the condition is false, then the statement 2 which is mentioned after the colon will be executed and statement 1 is not executed. Have you understood, Shuk?
Yeah.
Okay, so this if you notice, one very interesting thing about this conditional operator is that this entire conditional statement, this entire statement is called as a conditional statement, which includes the conditional operator. So this entire conditional statement works just like the if else block. Am I right, Shuk?
Yes.
And similarly, we can perform something called as a I will write that concept nesting. Okay, nesting of conditional operators, where I can use one conditional operator inside another, where each of the conditional operators will have their own conditions and the two statements associated with them. So in that case, that entire statement will work exactly like a if else block. Clear, Shu?
Yeah.
I'll show you example of that. First, I'll just write here the uh, or I'll write like this first. When we mention a conditional operator in a statement, then we always mention the condition before the question mark symbol, and after the question mark symbol we mention a question mark symbol, we mention two statements, and we place a colon operator between the two statements as shown above. So this entire statement above, this one which I have written now, is a conditional statement. Clear? Na?
Yeah.
The C compiler, while executing the conditional statement, will first evaluate the condition. Now suppose the condition is true, then the statement mentioned before the colon, that is the statement 1, is executed, and the statement 2 mentioned after the colon is not executed. Will evaluate first evaluate. One minute. I think something got cut through. I think something got removed from what I've typed. The C compiler while executing will first evaluate the condition. Okay, I'll type it again.
Before the question mark symbol.
Condition, that is the which is mentioned before the question mark symbol, and suppose the condition is true, then the statement mentioned after the before, sorry, statement mentioned before the colon, that is the statement 1, is executed, and the statement 2 mentioned after the colon is not executed. Clear, Shubh? Okay.
Yeah.
And similarly, suppose the condition is false, then the statement mentioned after the colon is that is the statement 2 is executed, and the statement 1 which is mentioned before the colon is not executed. Clear, Shubh?
Yes.
If the condition is false. Okay. Now I will show you one more example, that is of nesting of. So when we use multiple conditional operators in the same C language statement, where each conditional operator used in that statement will have its own conditions and set of statements before and after the colon symbol, then this is called as nesting of conditional operators, and the entire statement containing these nested conditional operators is called as the nested conditional statement. So clear, Shubh?
Yeah.
So example, see, for example, if I have a condition 1, so I'll put numbers here now, so it's easier for you to know that which condition and which are the corresponding statements for it. So condition 1 question mark. Now I put a statement 1 here, I put colon. Now what do I put here? I put a condition 2, suppose now. So again, because I'm having a condition here, again I'll put a question mark after it. Now if suppose the condition 2 is true, then it will execute statement 2. If it is false, then it will go to the condition tree show. Am I right, Shu?
Okay. Yeah.
Again I'll put a question mark here. I'll have suppose statement 3, and suppose I put one more condition, that is condition 4, question mark again now, and here I put statement 4 and finally statement 5. So see, this nested condition statement works exactly similar to the if else if block. Okay.
Yeah.
So I'll mention that point here. So the above simple conditional statement which we have written works just like the if else block. And one more thing, the conditional statement actually works faster than, or executes faster than, the corresponding if else block written for the same problem statement or program statement. Clear, Shubh?
Yeah.
So now see, how will this execute, this nested condition operator? Suppose the condition 1 is true, then the statement 1 is executed, and after that all the remaining conditions and statements are skipped, and the execution of the above entire conditional statement, entire nested conditional statement comes to an end. But suppose the, now I'll copy this here. So suppose the condition 1 is false now. Then what will happen? Suppose the condition 1 is false, then statement 1 is not executed, and obviously the control goes to the condition
And
2 now. So clear na?
yeah.
Now suppose the condition 2 is true, which means that is condition 1 is false and condition 2 is true. Then the statement 2 is executed. So clear na?
Yeah.
And after that all remaining conditions or statements are skipped, that remain the same. Clear? Sure.
Yes.
Okay. Now suppose the condition 2 is false. So condition 2 is false, which means that is both conditions 1 and 2 are false. So am I right? Because only when the condition 1 is false it will come to check whether condition 2 is true or not. Okay. Okay, Shubh, hello.
Yes.
Okay, so suppose that the condition 2 is false, it means obviously that condition 1 was also false, and now condition 2 also is false. Clear na? Then what will happen?
Yeah.
Then the statements obviously 1 and 2 both will not be executed. Shubh.
Yes.
And the control goes to the condition 3. Now suppose the condition 3 is true. So what does that mean? That is condition 1 was false, condition
Who is?
2 also was false. Am I right?
Yeah.
Condition 2 was false and condition 3 now is true. Then what will happen? The statement 3 is executed and all remaining conditions and statements after that are skipped. Understood na?
Yes.
And similarly, suppose the condition 3 is false. So condition 3 is false means obviously before that the conditions 1, 2 and means 1 and 2 are obviously false, and hence the control came to the condition 3 to check whether condition 3 is true or not. So if condition 3 is false, it means all the conditions up till now are false. Clear, Shubh? 1, 2 and 3.
Yeah.
Okay. 3 are false. Then the statements 1, 2 and 3 are not executed and control goes to the condition 4 now. Okay. So now suppose the condition 4 is true, that is condition 1 false, condition 2 false, condition 3 also was false, and now condition 4 is true. Then the statement 4, as I told you, na,
Yes.
statement
Exactly.
4 is executed, and after that all the and obviously anyway after that we just have statement 5 remaining, I think. Yes.
Yeah.
And statement 5 is not executed. Statement 5 is not executed. So when will the statement 4 be executed? When conditions 1, 2, 3 are false but 4 is true. Clear, Shubh?
Yeah.
And finally, suppose all conditions, that is 1, 2, 3 and 4 are
Okay.
false, then only the statement 5 is executed. So the above nested conditional statement is similar to the which statement? The
If else.
if else if dot 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 up till else block structure. Clear, Shubh?
Yeah.
And but again the nested conditional statement runs faster than the corresponding if else if block structure written for the same problem statement. Clear, Shubh?
Yeah.
Okay, so what we'll do, Shubh, that we have about 5 more minutes now. So we'll just, the first program which we had done, na, this program of the even odd number. So this program, just the program I want. So this program I'll do it using conditional operator. Okay, is that fine?
Yeah.
So what I'll do, I'll just copy the whole program code only, and I'll paste it in this code now. Okay, so this was the comment which ended here. And just check whether the comment must start here. Okay, so what should I do now? I'll mention a point here in the problem statement using the conditional operator.
Yeah.
Okay, so printf enter the number this will remain the same, but here instead of if, now see, I'll remove the if, and because if we have a conditions, it's very easy. I will give you one hint, show that whenever you want to write any program using conditional statement, you write that same program using if else if blocks, okay, and then convert it into a conditional statement. Clear, show?
Yeah.
So see, because we have a condition here, I'll put a question mark here. Again, conditional statement doesn't contain curly brackets at all, so remove the curly bracket. We have a printf here. Now because the conditional statement ends after the last statement in that entire nested conditional statement, so at the end of the conditional statement I should put a semicolon, like I have shown here. Am I right? See,
E-
this entire statement was a nested conditional statement. This whole is one statement up till statement 5.
Yeah.
Hence I put a semicolon at the end of statement 5. Okay, so I should not put a semicolon after statement 1, statement 2, and so on. Okay, so always remember, in a conditional statement or in a nested conditional statement, the semicolon must always be mentioned at the end of that statement after the last statement in that conditional statement. Clear, Shub?
Yeah.
Okay, so similarly here, this I'll close. Similarly, here in the program, I will remove the semicolon here. I'll put a colon instead now, and I'll remove the else again. I'll remove the curly brackets, and I'll directly put my last printf statement here. And after this printf, the number is odd because the whole conditional statement is ending here. Hence, I put a semicolon here. Clear, Shub?
Yeah.
Okay, so let me just save this program first now. I think this was the seventh one, Ashok.
Yes.
So program 7.c. Okay, and let me run the program now. Typing. There's some server issue maybe. Just reload the page again. Okay, till then what we'll do, we'll go on to the last program for today and the last program of this chapter also. So I'll save as program number 8.c. I'll just check, is it got loaded? Okay, now it's loaded. So I'll just paste my program here and let me run the code now. Okay, till this doesn't end, what we'll do, the program which I had written for this thing, uh, the program which I had written for, I think the whether to find whether the entered character is an alphabet or digit, Shub. Okay, so this program I'll try to do it using the concept of the nesting. Clear, Shub? Nested conditional statement. Okay, okay, Shub.
Yeah.
Program 8.c. 8 already exists. It's saying. Okay, okay. I think I created a separate. I already saved it. I think now that program. I think the previous program was the seventh one. Ashok? Previous one.
Yes.
I'll just check one. I think the previous one. Yes, this is the seventh one. So I saved it as 8. So by hence it is again asking me, do you want to override it? So it's okay because anyway we have not made any change in that. Na? So in the eighth one. Okay.
Yeah.
So where is the eighth one? Here. Okay, so as I told you, I'll copy the fourth one again. I'll do one thing, instead of saving it again, I'll just copy the problem statement here. So this I have to implement this logic now of finding whether the entered character is an alphabet, digit, special symbol, and then displaying it in the if it's upper, then displaying it in lower, and if it is lower, then displaying it in the uppercase. So this problem statement will be implementing using conditional operator now. Clear, Shuk?
Yeah.
So I'll just write perform using the conditional statement. Okay, so 1 minute, I'll just check whether, oh sorry, just check whether we have got the output for that. No, it's still running, I think. Okay, ठीक है, what we'll do इसको बाद में देख लेते हैं. So I think this was the current program ना. Okay, so here what should you do? As I told you, first write the program using if else if block, and then remove the curly bracket and put question mark after each condition. So I'll remove the if keyword now. Because it's a condition, I'll put a curly bracket here. Again I'll remove this curly bracket. I'll remove the semicolon here now. Now because it's a statement, I'll put a colon here. It's not a condition, so I'll put a colon. Clear, Shub?
Yes.
Now see, again we are having else if here. So remove the else if keyword, obviously, because we cannot combine else if and conditional statement. Now again here I'm having a condition. So again put a question mark here. Okay, understood na?
Yeah.
Now after this question mark we are having a printf. Now because this printf is a because this printf statement is a normal C statement, and because it is not a condition, so again after printf I'll put a colon now. Okay, because as you already know, in the conditional statement only when we have a condition will I put a question mark. Otherwise for any other statement you put a colon symbol. Clear? So
Yeah.
so after the colon, again what I'll do, that I'm having an else if block. So I'll remove the else if keywords first of all. Now again this is a condition, so you put a question mark here. Again remove the curly bracket. Now I'm having a printf, so it's not a condition. So after printf I'll write a colon symbol. Clear, Shub?
Yeah.
Now again lastly the else comes. So again after this else we have a printf, and the entire conditional statement ends here now, which the conditional statement started here and it ends here. Clear, Shub? Okay.
Yes.
So again this will work exactly like the previous if else if program we had done, we have performed for the same problem statement, which means, see, if this condition is true, then what will happen? Then the first printf statement is executed, that is it is uppercase and its corresponding lowercase is so and so, and then after that the entire execution of this conditional statement will be terminated. But if this condition is false, then only the control will come to the part which is after the first colon. Clear, Shu?
Yeah.
And then this condition will be checked. Now if this condition is true, which means this is false, the first one was false and the second one is true now, then again this printf is executed, that is entered character is lowercase and its corresponding uppercase is so and so. But if this condition and after that what will happen, after this second printf is executed, then the execution of this whole conditional statement will be terminated. But if this condition is false, that is the second condition is false, which means the first condition and second condition both are false, then only the control will come after the second colon symbol, that is to the third condition. Clear, Shub?
Yeah.
So again now if the third condition is true, then that is the first is false, second is false, and third is true, then obviously the answer will be displayed, that entered character is a digit, and after that again the execution of this conditional statement will be terminated.
Yeah.
But if this condition also is false, that is first condition is also false, second condition is also false, and the third condition is also false, then it will be displayed that entered character is a special symbol. Is it clear, Shubhna?
Yeah.
Okay. So this we'll just check if it is no, it's still giving some error. 1 minute. Just copy this again, reload it. I think we'll run this fast, because sometimes what happens, if the server is on for a long time, then it gets automatically hanged or something. Okay. So now we'll see whether we are getting the successful output or not. Okay, we'll do one thing, Shu. We'll try to run this. I wanted to show you actually one more program using conditional operator. So the last program I'll show you for today, and of this chapter, program 9.c. I'll just check if the output has come. Still running. So what we'll do, the income tax program which I had written, I think it was the sixth one, na, Shu?
Yeah.
Yes, this one. So this if you want to do this using conditional operator. So again, the easiest way is just do this program using the if else if block and then convert it into a conditional statement. Clear, Shub?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'll just paste the problem statement here entirely. Okay. So this we have to do using a conditional statement. Okay. So I'll save this first. I'll just check if that has come. No, still okay. We'll just finish it off, I think. Shub, could you run the? I wanted to ask you, could you run these three programs on your laptop then, which we couldn't run today? So I'm sure we are not getting any error, but just run them and check if we are getting the proper output or not. Okay, Shub?
I couldn't hear you because
No, I told
it,
you that no, I told you that these last three programs which we couldn't run today, could you run them
yeah.
on your laptop separately?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, means I'm 100% sure that we are not getting any error in them, but just run them and see if you are getting the output successfully or not. Okay, and tell me that tomorrow, so that we don't waste time in
Yes.
running the programs, or we don't waste time here waiting for the program to load. Okay, sure.
Yeah.
Okay, so here what should I do? I should remove the if now, and I'll put a question mark here again, because it's a condition. Now again I'll have a printf here. I'll put a colon here. Again I will have the else if here. Sure, am I right? Sure.
Yes.
Again it's a condition, so what do? Put a question mark here, remove the curly bracket again. Okay, now oh, income, it is no, one minute, what happened here? Something got cut here, I think. If it is greater than
No, I
no,
think.
right, correct, no, yes, this I have stored the value in income tax first. I have stored the value in a variable called income tax, then I'll put a colon now because it's a normal statement, not a condition. Then I'll have a printf statement. Am I right, Shu?
Uh,
Hello.
yes. So what about the this line when we where we
Now see, yes, now actually I'll get an error here, because see, for this question mark symbol I'm having a colon here, but again because this is a printf statement, I'll again have to put a colon here. Am I right, Shub?
uh for income for where we defining the value of income
In
tax
yes, yes. So
as
after
points.
after this, what I've done, I put a colon because it's a normal statement. So, but again, what I'll be doing after printf, again I'll be putting colon symbol. Am I right, Shub? Here, here
Yes.
also. But
But
so 1 minute, let me finish. So what will happen that I'll get an error now. Okay, I'll get an error because I cannot write two successive colon symbols. Okay, after a colon, we should have a question mark, and after a question mark, we should have a colon. Okay, so how do I solve that problem? I can solve the problem. See, I can just remove this thing I would declare here. So what I have done is that I have not declared now any variable called income tax, and again I will remove this statement. So rather what I'll do, that whatever the expression I had written on the right hand side while calculating the value for income tax, that expression should I'll put in the printf statement directly. Clear now? This expression, okay, that is he has income tax equal to rupees 0.3f, and the value of this percent 0.3f will be 0.05 into annual income. Okay, so is it clear now, Shub?
yeah.
Okay, so what have I done basically, that I have combined those two statements into one single printf statement. Means whatever this expression value is for income tax, I have not stored it separately in a variable called income tax. I have just directly displayed its value on the screen. Clear now?
Yeah.
Okay. So always keep in mind that after the colon we should have the next symbol must be a after question mark the next symbol must be a colon, and after colon immediately the next symbol in that conditional statement must be a question mark. So we cannot have two successive question marks and two successive colons. Is it clear, Shub?
Yes.
Okay. So again I'll remove the else if here now. Again it's a condition. So I'll put a question mark here. I'll have a printf here now. Again I'll put a colon. Again I have a condition now. I'll remove the else if once again here. And because it's a condition, I'll put a question mark here. Now again what I'll do, the thing which I had done for the previous statement, or for the previous case, again I will remove this statement. Instead I will directly paste the expression here, Shub. Am I right, Shub?
Yeah.
Okay, and what else have I done? I should remove this statement now completely, and so I have only one printf statement now, and I'll have a colon after this. I'll remove the curly brackets now. Again, I have removed the else block, and finally my last printf statement is the invalid data. Clear, Shub?
Yeah.
Okay, so 1 minute. I'll just see at least if this can we run this program at least. So I'll do reload, and I'll quickly copy this code now. So means 100% will get the output, but I'll just be sure that we are getting the output properly or not. Okay. Okay. See, has it not come through? Okay. Now let me run the program. So I'll just check whether the output is also coming. So I hope the server loads fast now. The server responds fast. Okay. So now if I enter suppose capital M, and I enter the annual income as 99,000, it should come no income tax. Clear, so?
Yeah.
Okay. If I enter capital M suppose, and if I enter 1,10,000, oh, isn't, then the income tax is so and so. Okay. So I hope it's clear now. So
Yeah.
okay, okay. So I hope everything I taught today is everything is clear. So should definitely. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just one question.
Yes, yes. You can ask me.
While